I'm Jessica Boyington from 6ABC, and I want you to come with me while I show you what my day looks like in Philadelphia. You love Boathouse Row.
I like to start my day with a little activity, with my dogs Jake and Rocky, of course. And at Boathouse Row, you can be one with the Schuylkill. The best thing about this, though, besides the fresh air, is that it's free. Just a little farther down the trail, I get a lot of laughs in and, believe it or not, a lot of work done at the Schuylkill River Dog Park. Don't have a dog? You can watch the dogs playing from the bridge or enjoy the views from the trail nearby. For a Philly staple and the best brunch you've ever had, check out Parc right off the square. There's nothing better than some eggs and champagne, except maybe their steak frites.
But you don't go to Parc unless you get the steak frites. Or if you go to Parc and don't get the steak frites, did you really go?
After that brunch, you can walk off the Parc French fries right to Open House and other shops at the Hub at 13th and Sansom in Midtown Village.
These are cute for like little knickknacks. Oh, I love this kind of stuff. What is more Philly than that? Is there such thing? So thanks for hanging out with me today. I am Jessica Boyington, and it's our turn to tourist.